Hello one and all YouTube, Fiery Hyper Mario here, and today I'm going to teach you how to transfer videos from PC to Samsung / Android / Google Pixel devices, which is pretty helpful if you want to make YouTube videos via video editors on Samsung Pixels or freaking Android devices. But first things first, let's go to our files. Go to video. Pick any video to do, any of them. So, let's say I want to go to random game footages, pick Mario footages, and then let's go to open my browser, go to Google, which I hate, go to Drive, and choose an area you want to store your video on. So, like this, GIFs, memes, and videos for mobile app video editors. Go here, and here, and then go here, pick any video you want. Let's say, what if I want the Buzzard battle in it. So let's move it here. Now it's up. Now it's on my drive. So next we're gonna go to my phone and download this video to my Samsung Galaxy phone.